How to create a grid story on Instagram using your iPhone 8 Plus. Instagram's built-in layout feature lets you combine multiple photos into a single story without using any third-party apps. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Now, swipe right from the home screen or tap Your Story in the top left corner to open the story camera. Look for the Layout option on left side of your screen, then tap on it. You'll see a default grid layout on the screen. If you want a different arrangement, tap the Change Grid icon on the left side and choose the layout you prefer. Now, tap the Photos icon in the bottom left corner to select pictures from your gallery. Once you've filled all the grid sections, tap the check mark at the bottom of the screen. If you'd like, you can add text, stickers, music, GIFs, or drawings to customize your story. It will share with all your followers, or tap Close Friends if you want to share it with a selected group only. Finally, tap Share. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.